Now that we've checked the chart, let's put it all together. Pick up those legs. We're gonna start with a crosswalk. Remember to dig deep. Here we go. Cross, march in place. Do it again. Give me a heel. Triple toe. To the corner, high arms, high knees. 1, 2, 3, lift. Here we go. There it is. Woo. Bring it back. Side march, take it out. Spooky fingers. One more time. 3 knees. I like to do that. Step touch, 2. Hold it here. Jam it out, yes, side and back. Do it again. 3 knees. 2 knees. We're ready. Grapevine, here we go. One more. Mambo turn, let's see it. Step touch. Give me those arms. Swing them out. Reach. Walking back. Here we go. Wide. Pump it up. Forward. High and low. Grapevine. Reach it out. One more. Let's see that turn. Step touch. Bicep. Swing it. Reach high. Take it back. Here we go. Kick it out. Take it forward. Up on those toes. How about that cha-cha? Single, single, double heel. We're gonna do it again from the top. Crosswalk right away. All right, I'm gonna really get in here. Push it out. Heel and high arms. Triple toe, nice and low. To the corner, 3 knees. Pull it up. Bring it back. Do it again. Bring it back. Side march, let's do those hands again. Oh yeah. 3 knees. Tap. 2 knees. Shake it out. Side march, let's go. Woo. How you feel? Let's do it. 3. Tap. 2. We're ready for that grapevine. One more. Mambo, shake the shoulders. Step touch. Bicep curl. Swing it out. Reach. Take it back. Power those legs. Bring it down. Woo! High and low. Grapevine. One more. Give me those shoulders. Step touch. Bicep. Swing it. Reach the arm high. Take it back. Strut it out. Forward. High and low. Cha-cha-cha. One more time. Single, single, double heel. Breathe here, because we have one more time. Don't give up. Here we go, crosswalk.